What is going on, SHIB Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today we're going to talk about the cryptocurrency market crash. Everything is pulling back significantly. Ethereum is almost down 10%. Bitcoin is almost down 7%. Look at this, BNB, Dogecoin down 10%, almost approaching below 20 cents. Everything is pulling back. And of course, Shiba Inu is no different, down about 8% as of the time of the making of this video. So we're seeing a significant pullback in all of the cryptocurrencies, and again, one of those being Shiba Inu. And why personally I am not worried is because, again, corrections happen, especially in the crypto market, but we're also seeing it in the stock market. The Dow today dropped nearly 500 points on concerns about global economic comeback and bond yield slide. So technically speaking, in my opinion, whenever the stock market tends to pull back due to fear of inflation and that kind of thing, we see people actually coming into the cryptocurrency market. So this is, in my opinion, nothing but potentially some manipulation, because there's really no negative news that was announced that created this sell-off. Rather, maybe some whales cashing out and manipulating the market a bit. Now, before I continue, I do want to mention my channel is not for financial advice. Rather, I try to put you guys on the place that I am in. And one thing I do want to mention quick is my Webull my Webull affiliate link in the description below. If you do want to get 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, make sure you click the link in the description and get your 2 free stocks when you deposit not $100, when you deposit $5 into your Webull brokerage account. 1 in 50 of you will get Google stock. Now, SHIB. What is happening to Shiba Inu and the token? We know that their decentralized exchange, the swap, SHIBASWAP, released recently, but we're seeing a pretty significant pullback in the market, which, again, Shiba Inu was not protected from. So in my opinion, we're getting these things on discount, because you guys know my saying, when they panic, we pounce. So you guys could see today we actually broke 800 Satoshi units, came all the way down to 788. Now, can we test these again as the overall market pulls back? Absolutely, we can definitely test these levels, because truly, if we look back, our next support line from 788 might be actually right around the 660, 650 Satoshi unit mark. So again, if you're looking to buy into Shiba Inu and you're trying to find maybe an entry point, DCA, dollar cost average in. Do not just go all in blindly, all at once. Rather, try to identify points that are sensible. And you can see here another moment of consolidation, actually 734. So when we see previous consolidation points, those are what we call previous support lines, or where we bounced off of a certain level significantly. So again, right over here, 682, 685, 653. Here you can kind of say, wow, we have a very, very strong support line from June 22nd at 571, because we never came back here as we tested those levels. So do I foresee us pulling back way down to 570? Probably not. I really don't. I do not see that happening. But again, regardless of all this, excuse me, by the way, my allergies act up in the morning. Regardless, if you are someone that is interested in the cryptocurrency market and maybe you haven't been able to establish a position quite yet, honestly, at these levels right now, you're still getting this thing at a discount, 8 to 10% off from just yesterday's high. So again, if you look at the overall market, you could also identify other cryptocurrencies that you might be interested in. We know Ethereum was up to over 4,000, and now it's approaching that $2,000 mark. And we're just seeing, a whirlwind. And we want to look at Bitcoin's price action because, again, the market follows the gravity of Bitcoin. So if we look over just the last 3 months, we see a lot of volatility. But again, it seems like a downward trajectory, right? That's kind of what we've been seeing. But we saw what happened to Bitcoin back on June 22nd. It broke 30,000 for a little bit, bounced off of that level of support. So can we test those lows yet again? Possibly. Anything is possible with a pullback, depending on how much manipulation occurs, because paper hands are also gonna follow. When paper hands see the market in this kind of negative condition, they decide, well, I guess it's time for me to sell for a loss and get out of this. And again, that's just kind of the mentality that they adopt. For the diamond handlers, the ones who prevail, the ones who are patient, those are the ones who pounce on these moments. So again, if we look at the 7-day chart, Bitcoin is actually down on the week. Not too much, but just a little bit here, a few percentage points. So again, if you're looking to potentially get in, even on Bitcoin, right now might not be the worst time to do so. But in my opinion, for all the catalysts that are coming up for Shiba Inu, I think, again, really trying to identify an entry point for this one might be an even better idea. So for me, I am looking to definitely increase my position size, but at what moment? When I see this thing pull back anymore, if I see it test even 777, 778, or even the intraday low, so 788, if it approaches that and breaks 800, I'm probably going to look to increase my position size because I'm so bullish on this token, guys. I am so bullish on Shiba Inu. Why? All the upcoming catalysts. So for those of you who are watching this video for the first time, or watching or learning about Shiba Inu for the first time, understand that there are a lot of positive catalysts on the way. As a decentralized exchange, they right now, after 24 hours, actually now 48 hours, $1.5 billion nearly total volume locked in their swap. So that means people are staking. People are utilizing the staking options, the digging and burying options that are available to them on the swap, which is equivalent, because people continue to say, you know, there's too many zeros preceding real zero when it comes to Shiba Inu. And people are like, when are we going to start breaking those zeros? And I said, it's either going to happen from a burn, a collective community burn, or when our tokens get locked by reward, so are locked for the long-term reward. So we know that there's a 6-month lock in about 67% of your rewards that you're making from the stakes that you are doing. So understanding that and knowing, hey, once we start seeing more and more of the circulating supply locked in this reward supply, we're going to start seeing this thing massively increase in price. And I'm not talking 5 to 10%, 20%. No, I'm talking hundreds of percents, hundreds, if not thousands of percents, even in the short term. But again, that's going to occur as we have more and more individuals coming in and learning about Shiba Inu, and more individuals utilizing SHIBASWAP. And that's why I'm so excited, guys, for what we have in the future, in store in the future for Shiba Inu. Now, so for all of you who are trying to understand and learn more, of course, just go back and watch videos, learn about it, read, go ahead. Coinbase is going to be one of the other biggest catalysts that are up and coming. Aside from the swap and the fact that they just launched within the last 48 hours, we know that Coinbase is looking to list Shiba Inu. They already listed them on their Coinbase Pro platform, but then they delisted them due to technical difficulties. So I could foresee in the next 5 to 6 days, maybe even up to a week, that we will see SHIB token get relisted on Coinbase Pro, and a couple days following Coinbase as well, which is going to create a strong buying pressure because history repeats itself. If we go back and see what happened when we saw the initial listing, you guys see it right here, which was on right around June 15th, June 16th. Look at this. We went from 730 Satoshi units immediately after the listing, within minutes, to 925. Think about that for a second. That's a pretty significant jump. So right now for 800, and again, people are going to start utilizing Coinbase when they list them, we might see instantly after maybe 1,000, 1,050 Satoshi units. So we're talking, 25, 30% gains in a very short term. So if you're even looking for a swing trade, I think Shiba Inu might be a phenomenal option to do so. So that's all I really had for you guys today. I really do appreciate all you guys' love and support. Make sure you guys go ahead and follow me on Twitter at YourPop8. I do post updates and retweet tweets regarding Shiba Inu. It's all things SHIB right now because that's where my focus is, and there's good reasons for that. So again, I really do appreciate you guys' love and support. Make sure you hit the link in the description below for Webull. And until next time, everybody, keep investing.